Hi everyone. Gentleman's Chicano. This custom bike belongs to our particularly high-quality conversions. The Heritage has received our fine Chicano parts and an extremely exclusive paint job. Equipped with a Milwaukee 8114 Sharp with a torque kit, the engine also reflects the power that this lowrider offers visually. So if that doesn't get your pulse racing. The Chicano package also includes our high-quality aluminum wheels. Here it is the chic examples of our Digger series that contribute to the gentlemanly appearance. With their 20-spoke design, they fit very nicely with the noble Chicanos, as can also be seen on the El Magico, for example. For the El Impulso, we chose wheel sizes in 18 and 23 inches. To fit them, we used our Chicano triple trees with a larger rake and added an upsweep to the original swing arm, which also lowers the rear wheel into the bike. Air rides on the front and rear take the Chicano out of show mode and make it street ready. Original Harley-Davidson parts like the engine covers and Defiance series grips, running boards and pedals round out our project. As you can see, a Chicano does not have to colorful. With a few exceptions, such as the white wall tires from Shinko, all parts are selected in black or coated in black. This underscores the effect of the fine dark paint job by Cruise Design, which only shines with its fine silver flakes and accents with gold color details. Shop the look. With or without bike, with our outfit you always cut a fine figure. In the Thunderbike online shop you will find these chic clothes and many more. We have the hottest brands like John Doe and Rocker on offer, and of course everything from Harley Davidson and our own chic brand Thunderbike Motorcloth, for the real fans. Thanks for watching.